Wi-Fi calling, also known as voice over Wi-Fi or VoWi-Fi, allows you to make and receive calls over a Wi-Fi network instead of relying on cellular signals. This is incredibly useful in areas with poor cell coverage, such as indoors or in rural spots, and Spectrum Mobile fully supports it on most compatible devices without extra charges. To enable Wi-Fi calling on your Spectrum Mobile device, first ensure your device is running iOS 15 or later for iPhones, or Android 10 or later for Android devices, and that you have an active Spectrum Mobile SIM and a stable Wi-Fi connection. For iPhone users, navigate to your Settings app, then tap Phone, select Wi-Fi calling, and toggle the feature on. You may need to select Spectrum Mobile and verify your address via SMS. If you have an Android device, open your phone app, go to Settings, then Calls, and enable Wi-Fi calling. Some manufacturers, like Samsung, might have it under Connections, then Wi-Fi calling. Remember, no additional carrier-specific apps are needed. It's all handled through your device's native settings. Enabling Wi-Fi calling on Spectrum Mobile brings significant benefits, especially with the network's ongoing enhancements. Spectrum has integrated Wi-Fi calling with its 5G ultra-wideband expansion, now covering over 200 million people, which improves reliability by offloading voice traffic when cellular signals are weak. This extensive coverage enhances Wi-Fi calling reliability across the United States. Users on iOS 18, released September 2024, and Android 15, late 2024, report seamless handover between Wi-Fi and cellular networks, enhancing the overall call experience. Here's how to enable it on iPhone and on Android devices. Spectrum Mobile customers have consistently rated Wi-Fi calling reliability highly, partly due to its extensive network of over 500,000 cable-based Wi-Fi hotspots, which provides free access for subscribers. These hotspots ensure widespread availability. While Wi-Fi calling counts towards your plan's talk time and uses minimal data, about 1 megabytes per minute, it's crucial to note that 911 emergency calls are supported, but location accuracy may vary. Always use cellular for precision in emergencies if possible. Ensure your device software is up to date, as older iOS Android versions may have experienced stability issues that have since been resolved.